Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking one focused niche so your clips attract the right audience. This matters because relevance drives retention. Once chosen, set clip specs 9:16 aspect, 1560 seconds, and open a new project folder. Next, quickly source material from saved videos, live stream recordings, and screen captures. Don't overthink. While collecting, preview at 2x speed and drop anything under 3 seconds of value into the raw folder. This gets you ready to edit without delay. Now you focus on the middle work. Scan footage at 1.5-2x to find moments with a clear hook or strong emotion, and mark and slash out timestamps as you go. Make sure to tag each mark with hook, value, or punchline so you can assemble story beats quickly. This saves time later. Once marked, create low-res proxy clips for fast timeline editing. That lets you experiment with pacing and cuts without lag. When a clip feels right, drop it into a sequence for trimming and audio checks. Finish by assembling beats. Place the hook in the first 3 seconds, follow with the value and a clear call to action. This ordering improves watch-through. Make sure cuts match audio rhythm and add captions for silent autoplay. Export as H.264 at 1080 x 1920 with 6.8 Mbps for clean uploads. Once uploaded, schedule during peak times and pin a strong caption. If you get muffled audio or clipping, replace or normalize the track to around -6 decibels and re-export. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.